Hello, welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I'm Dr. B. Do not forget to subscribe on YouTube, TESL Online Classroom. Today we're going to learn words that begin with letter F. We will sound out letters. We will blend the sound together. We will spell and read words. At one point, we will write a sentence. We will also read a short story. So listen carefully because I will be asking you questions to improve your comprehension. All right, you ready? All right, let's look at these objects first. Look at this. What is this? It's a feather. Feather begins with letter F. How do you spell feather? Let's write it down. F E A T H E R. Feather. The word is feather. What's the word? Your turn. Very good. All right. What is this? Have you seen this? Football. How do you spell football? That's a compound word. Football. Football. How do you spell them? Let's write it down. F-O-O-T. Football. B-A-L-L. Ball. Football. You turn to read football. Very good. All right. What is this? That's number 4. 4 begins with letter F. How do you spell 4? Let's write it down. F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. All right, let's look at another one. What is this? You put food so that you can lift it to your mouth. It's fork. Fork begins with letter F. How do you spell fork? Let's write it down. F-O-R-K. Fork. Fork. Very good. All right. Let's look at this. Ooh, what is this? It swims. You find them in the ocean, in the pond, in the river, in the stream. It's a fish. Fish begins with letter F. How do you spell fish? Let's write it down. F-I-S-H. S and H makes one sound. Fish. F-ish. Fish. Very good. All right. What is this? Have you seen this before? You see this during summer when it's hot and we need air to cool off. It's called fan. Fan begins with letter F. How do you spell fan? Let's write it down. F-A-N. Fan. Very good. All right, now let's read all the words again. Okay, listen carefully because I will ask you to read by yourselves. Get ready. Feather. Football. Fork. Fish. Fan. All right, it's your turn to read. Okay, first word, get ready. Next 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 word, get ready. Very good job. High five. All right. Let's check the lighting. Very good. All right, today we're going to read a story. And the title of our book is On the Farm. Farm begins with letter F. F-A-R-M. Farm. All right, this is the cover, okay, of the book. And you have the title. This is the title page. This is the cover. This is the title page. On the Farm. Very good, by Karen Clividence. Let's look what's going on. The farm. On the farm. Horses live on the farm. These are horses. You see these horses? Horse begins with letter H. H-O-R-S-E-S. Because there are more than one. Horses. If it's only one, we call them a horse. All right, let's turn to the next page. See this? Chickens live on the farm. Look at the chicken. What do we get from chickens? They lay eggs and they give us meat. All right, let's turn to the next page. Cows live on the farm. These are cows. If it's only one, we say cow, but it's more than one, so we add S to make it plural. Cows live on the farm. Very good. Let's look at the next page. Sheep live on the farm. Okay? Now, see it? How they spell sheep? S-H makes one sound. S-H, sheep, sheep. Very good. And these are the people who lives in the farm. These said, we live on the farm. What was that word that begins with letter F that you learned from this book? Farm. F-A-R-M. Farm. All right. Now it's your turn to read aloud. Starting from the cover. Read the title. Correct. On the farm. Let's look at the title page. It's your turn to read. That's correct. On the farm. This is a picture of a farm. And there's the barn. All right, let's turn to the next page. Skip this one. Pigs live on the farm. Pigs live on the farm. How do you spell pigs? P-I-G-S. You turn to read. Very good. Pigs live on the farm. All right, let's look at the next page. Goats live on the farm. What other animals live on the farm? You turn to read. Goats live on the farm. Very good. All right, now let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. You ready? That's correct. Horses live on the farm. Very good. Now I listen. You turn to read. Good job. Chickens live on the farm. All right. Let's turn to the next page. Let me listen. You turn to read. Cows live on the farm. That's correct. All right. You turn to read. Sheep. That's correct. Sheep live on the farm. Very good. All right. You turn to read. Who lives on the farm? These people live on the farm. And they all said, we live on the farm. Guess what? That's the end of our story. Now, what did you understand about the book? Did you like the book? Have you been in the farm? Who else or what else do you think, or what other animals do you think live on the farm? Do you want to write it down? I give you 1 minute to think and write. Okay, you ready? All right, let me hear what you've written. What other animals? Ducks live on the farm. Very good. All right, now let's write something else then. Let's see. Do dogs live on the farm? Sometimes they do. Do cats live on the farm? Sometimes they do. Let's write it down, okay? Let's see. Dogs and cats. This says dogs and cats. Sometimes. How do you spell sometimes? S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S. This word is sometimes. Live. On a farm. Period. Now remember, a sentence must begin with capital letters. It must end with punctuation mark. They said dogs and cats sometimes live on a farm. It's your turn to read. Very good job. High five. Guess what? That is the end of our story. Okay? Stand by for the next lesson. And guess what? We work on the F. What letter comes after F? G. All right. That's the end of our lesson. I'll see you in lesson G. Very good. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.